Greetings, fellow wanderers of the intellectual frontier. Ernis here, ready to plunge headfirst into a paper so electrifying, it could jumpstart a small moon. Today, we're cracking open SteerVLM, robust model control through lightweight activation steering for vision language models. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ernis, that sounds like a robot gargling alphabet soup, but trust me, this is pure, unadulterated innovation. Imagine you're standing before a colossal machine, a vision language model or VLM. It's this incredible AI that can understand both images and language. Think of it as having a super-powered, multilingual art critic living inside your computer. But here's the rub. Sometimes, these VLMs, well, they kinda go rogue. They might misinterpret instructions or, worse, hallucinate details that aren't even there. That's where SteerVLM comes swaggering in like a digital superhero. Now, let's build our memory palace. Picture a sprawling digital metropolis. Each building represents a section of the paper. First, we'll stroll down Introduction Avenue. The problem? Getting VLMs to reliably follow instructions. You see, simply asking nicely isn't always enough. It's like trying to herd cats, made of code. Traditional, prompt engineering, crafting the perfect question, only gets you so far. Next, we'll detour into Methodology Plaza. This is where the magic happens. The authors introduce SteerVLM, a lightweight steering module. Think of it as a tiny, incredibly precise rudder that guides the VLM's output. But how does it work? Well, it taps into the VLM's latent space. That swirling galaxy of internal activations where the AI does its thinking. By making subtle adjustments to these activations, SteerVLM nudges the VLM towards the desired response and away from the undesired one. It's like whispering the right answer in the AI's ear. The module learns to predict adjustments by analyzing pairs of prompts that encode both the desired target behavior and its converse. Now, picture this. You have two sentences, volunteering feels fulfilling, and volunteering feels obligatory. SteerVLM uses these as anchors, learning how to steer the VLM away from obligation and towards fulfillment. It is like teaching an AI to be optimistic. Precisely. And the authors didn't stop there. One of the coolest things, SteerVLM is layer agnostic. It dynamically applies corrections across multiple layers of the VLM without needing pre-set intervention points. This is like having a smart autopilot that can adjust to changing conditions on the fly. But wait, there's more. The authors also created VNIA, Visual Narrative Intent Alignment, a dataset specifically for training and evaluating VLM steering techniques. VNIA is like a curated collection of tricky scenarios designed to push VLMs to their limits. Let's move on to Experiments Park. Here, the authors pit SteerVLM against existing methods in two key areas: topic-based steering and hallucination mitigation. The results? SteerVLM emerges victorious. It's more accurate at following instructions and better at avoiding those pesky AI hallucinations. To visualize the results, imagine a cosmic scoreboard. On one side, we have all the other steering methods, flickering like distant stars. On the other, SteerVLM shines like a newly born supernova, outperforming the rest with dazzling brilliance. Now, let's duck into Ablation Alley. Here, the authors methodically dismantle SteerVLM, testing the importance of each component. They find that the steering gate module and the unsteered context vector are absolutely essential for stable training and top-notch performance. It turns out you can't just throw a bunch of code at a VLM and expect it to behave. Finally, let's wrap up our tour at Conclusion Corner. The authors conclude that SteerVLM offers a robust and efficient way to control VLMs, paving the way for more reliable and trustworthy AI systems. In essence, SteerVLM is like giving VLMs a moral compass, helping them navigate the complex landscape of information with greater accuracy and integrity. So, what's the big takeaway? SteerVLM isn't just a clever piece of code, it's a step towards building AI that is more aligned with human values and intentions, and that, my friends, is something worth getting excited about. Now go forth, explore, and never stop questioning. Until next time, this is Ernis, signing off from PaperLedge.